Tesla Model 3 refresh spotted with new wheels. They always, just put that blanket over the front there, like you don't know what it is. Like, I wonder if that's the new Tesla Model 3. Like, yep, easy, make it easier to spot. What do you think about these wheels? You've got a Model 3. I don't mind them.
I do like them.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
They added more spokes, or they're just oriented like in a different way.
Yeah, it has a
like a rotation
and a concave kind of thing going on.
Yeah,
you can see how they are like. That's the center portion with the lugs on it is embedded a little deeper in there. You got a little ramp action going on. Late last year, we started hearing rumors Tesla's working on a Model 3 refresh for the second half of 2023. Wow, that's really soon. Codenamed Highland, for a few years now, Tesla's been integrating its large casting technology into Model Y, with single large casting parts replacing dozens of parts in the electric SUV. This new technology has enabled Tesla to greatly improve manufacturing efficiency. That's like the big Hot Wheels style thing. Now, this one is Highland, Project Highland. And in order to make this adjustment, they would obviously have to temporarily slow down production in order to integrate their new systems with this new assembly. It's got heavy camo on the front end and rear end, but the shape still looks roughly the same. The wheels are obviously different.
Yeah, probably still 18-inch, I would assume.
Looks like it. My question is just what they're covering up. Could be a change in sensors, cameras, things like that, because the shape looks pretty much the same. And what would you need to be hiding up there as you look at some of that?
Maybe it just doesn't have like a bumper. Maybe they're just playing with like an open.
When you look at these spy shots, do you envision a Model 3 that looks very much different than the current one?
No.
It just might have different badging, different branding, and different sensors. That's what I would guess is being hidden here.
Right.
But I don't know. I guess it could technically be a facelift. You could change the headlights. They're covered. The taillights are less covered, and they look pretty much identical. So, but you're the Model 3 guy, Will.
I think it looks
Can
the
you
same.
spot anything different here?
No. Except for the wheels. I mean, they look cool.
Yeah. Yeah, the wheel change looks cool. So if that's the stock option, I think that could be nice.